In this first intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a man brazenly enters the premises, his intentions far from noble. Watch as he makes off with valuable equipment that had been thoughtfully placed outside the house.
What you doing out there? Hey, what you doing? Put it back. You're on camera. Put it back. The police are on their way. Put it back.
In this intriguing Ring doorbell clip, a man is spotted walking within the confines of someone's property, raising immediate concerns. The homeowner, quick to respond, confronts the individual, leading to a conversation that takes an unexpected turn. With a suspicious motive hanging in the air, the man swiftly changes his demeanor, attempting to divert attention by pretending to be checking for someone.
Hello?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
I'm looking for Jeremy. Jeremy lives here?
Who?
Huh?
Who are you looking for?
Jeremy. Jeremy?
No. Jeremy, we don't have any Jeremys at this address.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, no worries.
Alright.
In this revealing Ring doorbell clip, a man approaches the front door of a residence, his intentions far from innocent. With a package thoughtfully left outside by the homeowner, the scene takes a disheartening turn as the man seizes the opportunity to commit theft. In this chilling nighttime Ring doorbell footage, as the darkness descends, the scene unfolds with two individuals brazenly breaking into a parked car. They meticulously search the vehicle, extracting valuable possessions with a sense of impunity. The cold efficiency of their actions serves as a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities that persist even within our seemingly safe spaces. In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, the scene unfolds as an individual, a lady with a seemingly noble purpose, stands before a house door. Her intentions become clear as she claims to be returning a bag she found, a gesture that immediately strikes a chord with the value of honesty and goodwill.
Please leave the package outside. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
We found your bag at Noah's Bakery around there, so we're just here to return it.
Yeah.
Have a good day. We're going to put it in your mailbox.
In this heartwarming Ring doorbell clip, the scene unfolds as a man approaches a front door, his demeanor carrying a sense of purpose. As the camera captures the moment, it becomes clear that he's holding a wallet, a valuable possession that he claims to have found. His intention is simple yet impactful: to return the wallet to its rightful owner.
Camera recording.
Hey, how you doing? I found your wallet at Walmart. Hey, Miss Crosby, I found your wallet at Walmart in River City. Well, I'm gonna put it by the Amazon boxes. Thank you.
In this intriguing Ring doorbell clip, a man stands at the front door of a residence, portraying himself as a delivery man. The initial appearance of a routine delivery takes a nuanced turn as we examine the situation through the lens of caution. With the prevalence of porch piracy and impersonation, this interaction prompts us to contemplate the importance of verifying identities in a world where appearances can be deceiving.
Please leave the package outside. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
I'm at 2201. This package came there instead of to you. Here it is. I'll put it right here on that little table thingy.
In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, we delve into a disheartening incident that highlights the audacity of theft under cover of darkness. The scene unfolds with two individuals, both women, surreptitiously removing vault lights from in front of a residence. In this eye-opening Ring doorbell clip, a man boldly approaches someone's porch with a clear intention in mind: to seize an unattended package left outside. In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, the scene unfolds as a man skillfully gains access to a building by leaping over a fence, his intent unmistakable. With a calculated survey of the surroundings, he proceeds to breach the security of the house itself. In this astonishing Ring doorbell footage, a man making a calculated move to access someone's store, his intentions far from honorable. With a remarkable display of skill, he successfully makes off with an electric generator, a substantial theft captured by the vigilant lens of security cameras. In this riveting Ring doorbell footage, the scene unfolds with two women standing in front of a door, their actions carefully orchestrated. While one lady discreetly tests the waters by pressing the doorbell to gauge any potential response, her accomplice stealthily peeks from the side, their intentions becoming evident. With swiftness and precision, they seize the items left outside before making a hasty getaway. In this intriguing Ring doorbell clip, a man confidently walks onto someone's porch, his actions caught in the interplay of knocking on the door and surveying his surroundings. This intriguing combination raises questions about his purpose and the dynamics at play. In this unsettling nighttime Ring doorbell scene, the footage unfolds with a group of individuals brazenly breaking into a parked car under the cover of darkness. Their actions, a mixture of audacity and cunning, involve a thorough search for valuable items within the vehicle. As they make their swift exit with the stolen goods,
Yeah, God. Jump in the driver, God. Jump in the driver. Jump in the fucking driver.
In this dramatic Ring doorbell footage, the sequence captures a man's audacious attempt to break into a car, his intentions thwarted by the quick action of the owner who locks the vehicle just in time. Undeterred, the man resorts to an unconventional strategy, removing the side mirror as a desperate means of escape. What follows is a harrowing escape attempt as he flees to a waiting car. Unconventional measures, utilizing an enigmatic substance to effortlessly shatter a security glass. In this riveting Ring doorbell clip, we stumble upon a heart-pounding encounter. Watch in awe as a quick-thinking individual devises an escape route by skillfully vaulting over a barricade, all while being confronted by the determined homeowner.
We have you on video and the police are on their way. You are being video recorded and the police have been called. You are on video and the police have been called. They're on their way. You stole it.
In this captivating Ring doorbell footage, a mysterious figure, concealed behind a mask, approaches the front door with calculated purpose. With a series of deliberate knocks and a watchful gaze, this individual's intentions remain shrouded in uncertainty.
Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Smell my feet. Thank you, please stop. Falling from the sun off. It's a life.
In this astonishing Ring doorbell clip, a man stands at a stranger's front door, assuming the role of a homeless individual while seamlessly discussing the logistics of calling an Uber. Little do we know, this seemingly innocent conversation takes an unforeseen turn as the authorities step in. Watch in awe as the situation escalates and the truth behind this intricate facade unravels, leading to a dramatic arrest by the police.
Hey, I called an Uber, and I'm supposed to be waiting for it over here, but I don't know when it's coming. Can you call it for me, please? I'm homeless. My ID. My ID. Huh?
Hands up! Put your hands where I can see them!
Whoa!
Hands up! Hands up!
What? I just...
26, 500 block of Elizabeth, 126.
Hey, do you know?
In this intense Ring doorbell footage, brace yourself as two masked individuals boldly breach the security of a home, driven by their insatiable hunger for valuable loot. With their identities concealed and their motives clear, these intruders embark on a daring mission to find and snatch whatever treasures they can. In this captivating Ring doorbell footage, two men, armed and determined, approach a home with an ominous intent. With a gun in hand, they brazenly attempt to break into the residence, their relentless knocking echoing through the tension-filled air. As the seconds tick by, the gravity of the situation intensifies, leaving us on the edge of our seats.
Yo! Yo! Yo, Kevin! Come on, bro.
In this light-hearted Ring doorbell clip, the scene unfolds as a man stands before someone's porch, engaging in conversation with a series of comical facial expressions. However, the situation takes a more serious tone as the homeowner steps in, asserting their presence and requesting the individual to depart.
Hey man, big dog, I need you, big dog, boy, look here. Boy, I need you bad, man. Shit, I need about 50, man. Shit. I've been out here, goddamn me, waiting to see what I come up with, goddamn me. I said, let me go see boss. Goddamn me. Shit. Yo, you don't do that for me, big dog. I need about 50.
Man, it's too late, man, in the night, man.
Shit, man, when you off this shit, it ain't never too goddamn late. This shit don't sleep. Big dog, this shit don't sleep, man. I'll hit you back.
Man, get off my porch, man. Get off my porch, man.
Hey, big dog. You get that there.
In this astonishing and surreal Ring door footage, the scene unfolds with a wild bear unexpectedly finding its way onto someone's house front, its intent fixed on a resident's dog. As the situation unfolds, the homeowner is caught in a whirlwind of emotions, grappling with the surreal reality of a bear's proximity to their beloved pet. In this intense Ring doorbell footage, the scene unfolds with a man displaying a determined resolve as he forcefully gains entry into a building by methodically destroying a window. The resounding shatter serves as a stark reminder of the length some individuals will go to achieve their goals. In this intense Ring doorbell footage, the scene unfolds with a man displaying a determined resolve as he forcefully gains entry into a building by methodically destroying a window. The resounding shatter serves as a stark reminder of the length some individuals will go to achieve their goals. In this captivating Ring doorbell footage, a woman, her movements marked by a hasty assessment of her surroundings, emerges onto someone's porch. With a quick and determined scan, she selects items that catch her eye, then departs with an unsettling urgency, leaving a trail of questions in her wake. In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, a man, moving with stealth and caution, tiptoes onto someone's porch under the cloak of secrecy. His intentions laid bare, he meticulously seizes valuable items thoughtlessly left outside, his actions betraying an unsettling blend of determination and opportunism. In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, a man, driven by motives known only to him, makes a deliberate move towards a flower placed outside someone's house. As he reaches out, his actions raise questions about his intent. In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a figure, concealed beneath a hoodie, emerges, seemingly driven by a covert motive. Methodically, they test each door, moving from one to another in a calculated attempt to find an entry point. In this unsettling Ring doorbell clip, a woman, exhibiting an air of purpose, enters someone's garage with apparent familiarity. With a calculated search, she selects valuable items, her actions betraying a brazen disregard for personal boundaries. In this gripping Ring doorbell clip, a group of men, emboldened by the shroud of night, invade a vicinity with a singular mission in mind. With calculated precision, they target a parked car, breaching its security to scour for valuable items. In this gripping Ring doorbell clip, a group of men, emboldened by the shroud of night, invade a vicinity with a singular mission in mind. With calculated precision, they target a parked car, breaching its security to scour for valuable items.
Bro. Yeah? Bro, are you serious?
In this intriguing Ring doorbell clip, a man and a lady approach someone's front door, their intentions veiled by a blend of curiosity and confusion. The man's query to the lady for a key hangs in the air, while her puzzled demeanor adds to the enigma. Ultimately, with a sense of unresolved tension, the man chooses to depart the premises.
Why would I have the key?
Do you not live here?
No.
What? What the fuck are we doing here?
I don't know.
Are you serious?
Are you joking?
No, I'm being serious. Get off this random person's porch. Are you fucking kidding me? This isn't your place? No. What? Where do you live? This is where you...
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.